Imagine walking through a quiet, peaceful forest, breathing in that crisp, earthy smell, completely unaware that you are strolling right through an invisible battlefield. Beneath the serenity of rustling leaves and towering trees, a relentless, highly sophisticated chemical war is constantly being waged. We tend to think of plants as passive green decorations just soaking up the sun, but in reality, they are master chemists, armed with an arsenal of toxic compounds, volatile gases, and underground warning systems that would rival any science fiction thriller. Today, we are pulling back the bark to explore the invisible chemical warfare that governs every single ecosystem on Earth. To understand this hidden conflict, we have to look at the primary weapons of the plant kingdom, secondary metabolites. Unlike primary metabolites, which are essential for a plant to simply grow and survive, secondary metabolites are specialized chemical weapons designed for defense and territory control. Take the common walnut tree, for instance. It produces a chemical called juglone, which it releases into the surrounding soil through its roots and decaying leaves. To other plants trying to sprout nearby, juglone is a potent herbicide. It inhibits respiration and blocks nutrient intake, effectively creating a sterile dead zone around the walnut tree. This ensures that the tree doesn't have to share precious sunlight, water, or soil nutrients with aggressive neighbors. It is biological landmines, written in chemistry. But plants don't just fight dirty with their neighbors, they also launch airborne distress signals when they are under attack. Have you ever wondered why freshly cut grass smells so incredible? That comforting aroma is actually a desperate chemical cry for help. When an insect like a caterpillar starts chewing on a leaf, the plant instantly releases volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These airborne chemicals drift across the forest on the breeze, carrying a very specific message to the surrounding ecosystem. Nearby plants catch the scent and immediately ramp up the production of their own unpalatable toxins, making their leaves tough and bitter before the pests even arrive. It is a biological early warning radar network operating right under our noses. Even more remarkably, these airborne SOS signals act as a beacon for predatory insects. When a corn plant is attacked by armyworms, it releases a very specific chemical blend that attracts parasitic wasps. These wasps swoop in, lay their eggs inside the caterpillars, and effectively neutralize the threat. The plant is essentially calling 911 for hired mercenaries, using chemistry as a universal distress language that other species have evolved to understand and act upon. When we zoom out from individual trees to the entire forest ecosystem, this chemical warfare transforms into a complex economic and social network. Beneath the forest floor lies the mycorrhizal network, a vast web of fungi connecting the roots of different trees. While fungi help distribute nutrients and share resources, often referred to by scientists as the Wood Wide Web, this network is also a highway for chemical eavesdropping and sabotage. Trees can use fungal threads to detect if a neighboring tree is sick or being attacked by pests, allowing them to proactively build up their chemical defenses. Conversely, aggressive plants can use the same network to pump phytotoxins directly into the root systems of competing species. It is a subterranean internet where information, alliance, and warfare are traded silently by the second. Ultimately, what looks like a tranquil wilderness to our eyes is actually a dynamic, hyperconnected arena of chemical strategy. Every scent, every bitter leaf, and every patch of bare soil beneath a canopy tells a story of survival, aggression, and adaptation. The next time you take a walk through the woods, remember that you are walking through an ancient, invisible war zone where the weapons are molecules and the stakes are life and death. If you enjoyed uncovering the hidden science of nature, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore more of the secret rules that govern our planet.